Welcome to Class 4, Prompt Engineering Basics. In this video, we'll learn that prompt engineering isn't magic. It's the skill of providing AI with clear instructions. By defining context, role, task, and output format, you'll get far more reliable and useful responses. Better input leads to better output. By the end of this video, you'll be able to define a prompt, compare prompt quality, apply a structured approach to your requests, and create a set of classroom-ready prompts for various real-world tasks. Here is our session plan. We will cover the definition of a prompt, how to spot the difference between good and bad examples, the core structure of a prompt, and finish with a hands-on activity where you'll create 20 effective prompts. So what exactly is a prompt? Simply put, it is any question, instruction, or command you give an AI to generate a response. Remember the core formula. Better input equals better output. Clear, detailed instructions are the key to high-quality results. Let's compare. A bad prompt like write about AI gives the AI no direction, forcing it to guess your intent. A good prompt specifies the audience, language, length, and format, ensuring the response is exactly what you need. To get consistent results, use this professional structure. Context for background, role to define the expert identity, task for the specific action, and format for the final output. Think of it as the CRTF framework. First, provide context. Context explains the situation to the AI. It should clarify who the audience is, the purpose of the task, and any relevant background information needed to guide the response accurately. Second, assign a role. By telling the AI to act as a teacher, analyst, or coach, you shift its focus to adopt a specific expert identity and style, which significantly improves the relevance of the output. Third, state your task clearly using action verbs. Instead of a vague topic, specify exactly what the AI should do. Explain, summarize, rewrite, or compare. Clear actions prevent generic responses. Finally, control the format. Tell the AI how you want the answer to look. Do you need a table, a list of bullet points, a script, or an outline? Defining the format makes the result instantly usable. Combine these elements into this master template. Act as a role. I need task for audience. Use tone, output, and format. Include constraints. Keep it simple and only include the details that truly affect your answer. Now it's time for practice. You will write 20 prompts across 4 categories: education, content creation, office work, and business. Remember, every single prompt must include context, task, and format. Here are 5 examples for education and 5 for content creation to get you started. Focus on clearly defining your audience in the educational prompts and specifying the platform or style for your content creation tasks. For the second half of your practice, here are examples for office work and business. These cover tasks like drafting professional emails, creating project outlines, and developing business proposals. Test these using our formula. Before you submit any prompt, check it against this list. Does it have a clear goal, a defined audience, necessary context, an assigned role, a specific format, and clear constraints? Use this checklist to master prompt engineering. To wrap up, complete your final assignment. Craft 20 prompts and test 5 of them using ChatGPT or Gemini to analyze the results. Check your understanding with our quiz questions, and stay tuned for our next class on advanced techniques like few-shot prompting and structured outputs.